Hello dear students. In previous video you have learned about different features that we can use in control panel. Different type of settings that we can do in control panel. In this video you will see how we do those settings and how we are using control panel to change our system setting. Firstly, you will go to the start menu and then type control panel. Here you will see control panel. Click on that. After clicking, see how we can change the date and time format in our computer. Click on the clock and region option. When you click on that, here are the options come. Here we can change how short date will appear, firstly month, then date, then year, or long date. Like if I have done like this and apply, you can see the change here. See, here it is showing 04/27/20. If I want to change, then I will click here. I want to see date, then month, then year in the format, this format. I will click on this and I will apply. Here you can see it is 24, then 27, then April, and then 20. So you can change the date format from here. How you want to see the date or day, that you will change here. Okay, here also you can see how it will look like. I hope you are clear with this. When we press OK, the settings will be applied here. Or if we want to change the time zone, then we will click on change time zone and we will click which time zone we want. As you can see, for India, this time zone we use, that is UTC 5:30. If we want to change, we can choose any country's time zone. If I selected any time zone here and click on OK, then you can see the time has changed here. Again, I want to change the time zone. Again, I click here. Again, I will search which time zone I want, that is UTC 5:30. So I will go there, UTC 5:30. Here I can say Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. I will click on it and I will press OK. Again OK, then time zone is changed again. When install any program, what you will do, again you will go to the start button. Here you will find control panel. After opening control panel, just click on programs option. After clicking on programs, click on programs and features. Here you will see the list of programs which are installed in your computer. If you want to uninstall any program, just click on that program. There you will see an option to uninstall. When you click on uninstall, then the program will be uninstalled from your computer. It will take some time for uninstalling. After uninstalling, that program will not appear in this list. It may ask you again, then you will click again on uninstall. Now you can see that program which I have removed from here is not there in this list. Okay, to change some hardware or sound setting or see hardware or sound setting, again what we will do, we will open control panel. After opening control panel, there you will see the option of hardware and sound setting. Click on that After clicking on that, you can see different types of setting here for different types of hardwares, like for printer, for adding a new device, for changing mouse setting, like if you want to change some mouse setting, if you want to make some shadow of mouse, then you can see it is changing. If you want to change the speed of pointer, then again you can see it is changing. Here you will do the mouse setting. In pointers, you can change the pointer, any pointer which you want to apply, that you can apply. Okay, and in sound setting, you can adjust the volume of the device that you are using. Like if I am using this device, then I can change the volume by this. If we want to change some other setting, we can click here. Here you will see the device name which you are using, like it is showing my device name. I will double click on that, and here I can change the settings of sound. For recording, like I'm using microphone, I'm not using the inbuilt microphone of my system, I'm using external, so it is showing external also, and this is internal. If I will remove this, then it will show this is enabled. The sound option, that which sound for different type of notifications that system gives us, which sound it will be. For communication, like if we are connecting our telephones with our system and any telephone call comes, then what option we want to use from these options. I hope you understood all the settings that we have discussed in this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank